Hello everyone. Do you owe money on your income tax and need to make a payment using Revenue Online? If you've already set up a payment plan, also called an installment agreement, with the Colorado Department of Revenue, you can follow these easy steps. My name is Steve, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, it is my pleasure to walk you through this video on how to quickly and easily make an income tax payment using Revenue Online without having to log in to your account. You can pause and rewind this video at any time to review the information provided. Let's go ahead and get started. The Colorado Department of Revenue aims to make complex tax information easier to understand. The information provided in this presentation will only address how to make an income tax payment using Revenue Online without having to log in to your account. To make a payment without logging into your account, go to Revenue Online at Colorado.gov/Revenue Online. Then select Make a Payment under the Payment Options box on the home page. On the Select a Payment Type screen, select your preferred method of payment. Available payment options include credit or debit card, e-check, and electronic funds transfer (EFT) via ACH debit, meaning the payment would be withdrawn directly from your account. Choose the credit debit card or e-check option to be able to make a payment same day. If you choose the EFT option, registration and authorization is required, so you will not be able to make a payment for up to 3 to 5 business days. You'll also find hyperlinks to our website if you need information on other payment methods or requesting a payment plan. For our example, we're going to use debit or credit card. Here you will enter your first name, middle initial, and last name. Then click Edit. Click on Add a Payment under the Account column to continue. Beginning with account type, select Individual Income Tax from the drop-down menu. Remember, in this video, we're just talking about how to make an individual income tax payment. Next to ID type, click the drop-down arrow and select the personal ID type you wish to use for your payment. You can use your Colorado account number, or CAN, your Social Security number, or if you filed your taxes using an individual taxpayer identification number, or ITIN, you may enter your ITIN. In this example, we are going to use a Social Security number. In the filing period box, enter 12 for the month, 31 for the day, and then the 4-digit year for which you owe and are making a payment. You can also click the calendar icon next to filing period and select December as the month, 31 is the day, and then the appropriate 4-digit year for which you owe and are making a payment. Notice how your account type, ID, and filing period are now complete. Next, you'll select your payment type. Next to payment type, click the drop-down arrow and select Bill Payment from the drop-down menu. Bill Payment must be selected to ensure your payment processes correctly as a payment plan. Next, enter the amount you wish to apply to your outstanding balance in the Amount box and click Add. You now have the opportunity to make any edits to the payment you've scheduled or to add an additional payment. If no changes are needed, click OK. On the Online Tax Payment screen, confirm your payment amount in Step 3. If it is correct, click the Pay Online button to continue. Otherwise, click Cancel. When you click on the Pay Online button, you will be redirected to the Colorado.gov online tax payment system. If you are not redirected, please check, as it may have opened in another window. When the pop-up blocker screen appears, do not disable your pop-up blocker. Simply click the If you do not see a new window, click here to proceed hyperlink highlighted here. Under the Payment Options tab on the Secured Online Payment Process screen, click on your preferred form of payment and then follow the on-screen prompts for that particular form of payment. We'll use the Pay by Credit Card option for this example. If paying by credit card, simply enter your credit card information and click Continue. The credit cards we accept are shown for your convenience. If necessary, you can also click on the Change Payment Type hyperlink and return to the Payment Options tab to select a different form of payment. Next, enter your account holder information. All fields identified by a red asterisk are required. Once complete, click Continue and follow the remaining screen prompts to submit and confirm your payment and verify your receipt. Verify your payment information, method, and transaction details on the Confirmation tab, and then click Agree Continue to move to the Receipt tab. Your application receipt contains your receipt identification number. Please reference this number in any correspondence regarding your payment. If paying by e-check, please make sure your bank accepts e-check payments. If you're not sure, contact them and give them the numbers shown in the Ensure Your Bank Accepts e-check payments box to ensure your payment is successfully processed. Next, select your account type, either checking or savings. Then enter your 9-digit routing number. Banks often list their routing number on their website, and you can also easily find it on your check. The routing number is the first 9 numbers printed on the bottom of your check in the lower left, as shown here. Next, enter your account number. Lastly, re-enter your account number and click Continue. Follow the remaining screen prompts to submit and confirm your payment and verify your receipt. As a reminder, there are many resources available to you through the Colorado Department of Revenue. Please keep these resources in mind if you find you need additional support. My name is Steve, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Taxation Division, Education and Training, thank you for watching this video. The Colorado Department of Revenue is always here to help you be voluntarily tax compliant through information, education, assistance, and customer service.